Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Lily.
I'm Tom. If you're new here, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Today, we're making this podcast at the request of one of our subscribers.
Here is their comment.
And today is a good one.
It really is. We are talking about two phrasal verbs that English learners get confused with all the time.
All the time.
Figure out and find out.
If you have ever used one when you should have used the other, this video is for you.
And if you've never used either, this video is also for you.
Basically, everyone watch this video. But before we start, we have a question for you.
Yes, today's question is, I did something very embarrassing at a coffee shop last week. What do you think happened?
Oh, it's a good story.
It really is a little too good.
Think about it. We'll tell you the full story and we'll give you the answer at the end of the video.
Stay till the end, trust me.
Okay, Tom, so how was your week?
Lily, my week. Where do I even start?
Start at the beginning.
Okay, so I started going to that new coffee shop near my apartment, right?
Oh, yes. You said you love it there.
I do love it. The coffee is amazing. But okay, so the other day I walked in, I ordered my usual coffee, I sat down, and then I realized something.
What?
I couldn't figure out how to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Oh, no.
The password was on the wall, but it had like 20 characters and numbers and symbols.
Oh, no, Tom.
I typed it wrong 5 times. 5 times, Lily.
And then what?
And then I finally asked the barista, and she said, "Oh, we changed the password this morning."
No.
So I had to find out the new password. And the new password, it was just the word coffee.
What?
C-O-F-F-E-E. Just coffee.
After all that?
After all of that, 20 minutes, 5 attempts, just coffee.
Oh, Tom, you poor thing.
I couldn't figure it out, and when I finally found out the answer, I wanted to hide under the table.
Okay, wait. You just used both phrases right there.
I did, completely on accident, but yes, I did.
That is the perfect introduction. Let's teach our students what those two phrases mean. Okay, so today we are learning two phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a verb plus one or two small words, and together they make a new meaning.
Like give up. Give is a verb. Up is a small word. Together, give up means to stop trying.
Exactly. So today's phrasal verbs are figure out and find out. Both use out, but they mean different things.
So what's the difference, Lily? Because I think a lot of learners use them the same way.
Great question. Here is the simple rule.
Simple rule. I love a simple rule.
Figure out means to understand something after thinking about it. You have a problem, you think and think and think, and finally you understand it.
So it's about thinking and solving.
Exactly. And find out means to learn new information. You didn't know something, and then you learned it. Maybe someone told you, maybe you read it, maybe you searched online.
So find out is about discovering information.
Yes, you receive new information from outside. You discover a fact.
So in my coffee shop story, I couldn't figure out the Wi-Fi password, meaning I was thinking and trying to solve it.
Right.
And then I found out the new password, meaning the barista gave me new information that I didn't have before.
Perfect. Tom, you're a genius.
I mean, it took me 20 minutes and a very patient barista, but yes.
Let's go deep on figure out first.
Figure out.
Figure out means to understand something after working on it, thinking about it, or trying to solve a problem.
You can figure out a problem. You can figure out how to do something. You can figure out why something happened.
Here are some examples.
I finally figured out how to use this app.
She's trying to figure out the answer.
I can't figure out why he is angry.
Now, personal story time. Tom, have you ever had a moment where you had to really figure something out?
Oh, so many. Okay. When I moved into my new apartment, I had to build my own furniture. You know, the kind where you get a big box and hundreds of small pieces.
Oh no, I know exactly what you mean.
The instructions were 12 pages long. 12 pages! And there were no words, only pictures.
Only pictures?
I sat on the floor for 3 hours trying to figure out where each piece went.
And did you figure it out?
I did, finally, at 11 o'clock at night, in the dark, because I couldn't figure out where the light switch was either.
Tom!
My brain was completely done for the day.
So, Tom figured out his furniture problem after 3 hours of hard work. That's figure out, solving something through effort and thinking. Now let's talk about find out.
Find out.
Find out means to learn information that you didn't know before. Someone tells you, you read it, you search for it, or you discover it by chance.
You find out news, you find out a secret, you find out what time something starts.
Examples?
I found out that the exam is tomorrow.
Did you find out what time the movie starts?
She found out about the surprise party.
Okay, personal story. Tom, have you ever found out something really surprising?
Oh, yes. Very recently, actually.
Tell us!
So, last month, I found out that my neighbor, the one who lives right above me, is a professional drum teacher.
Oh!
I found out at 7 in the morning on a Saturday.
The hard way.
The very, very hard way. I was sleeping so nicely, and then boom, 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 boom.
Oh, Tom.
I found out that information very quickly and very loudly.
So you received new information, your neighbor plays drums, and you discovered it suddenly. That's find out.
Exactly. I did not think or solve anything. The drums told me.
Now, here's something very useful. We often use figure out in the negative, like, I can't figure out, or I couldn't figure out.
This is super common in real English conversation.
Examples.
I can't figure out this math problem.
She couldn't figure out why he left.
Can you help me? I can't figure out how to do this.
Tom, can you think of something you recently couldn't figure out?
Oh, Lily. Last week, I downloaded a new recipe app on my phone.
Oh, nice!
Nice for the first 10 minutes, and then I tried to save a recipe, and I could not figure out the save button.
How long did it take you?
I pressed everything on the screen. Everything. Little hearts, little stars, a little bookmark.
And?
It was the bookmark. Obviously, it was the bookmark. I just couldn't figure it out for 20 minutes.
Okay, but you figured it out eventually. That's the important thing.
I am a survivor.
Here's another useful pattern. We often use find out with time expressions. Find out later. Find out soon. Find out yesterday.
Because find out is about getting information, and that moment of getting information happens at a specific time.
Examples?
I found out yesterday that she got the job.
We'll find out soon who won.
Did you find out yet? Tell me.
Personal story. Lily's Kern. Something I found out recently.
Ooh, go ahead.
Okay, so I signed up for an online English certification exam last month. I studied for weeks.
Go, Lily!
And I found out my score last Tuesday.
And?
I passed with a very high score.
Oh, Lily, that is amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you. When I found out the results, I actually jumped up and down in my kitchen.
I love that image.
My cat was very confused. Okay, let's put them side by side one more time so the difference is crystal clear.
This is the key section, everyone. Listen carefully.
Situation 1. You have a math problem. You think about it for a long time. You finally get the answer. You say,
I finally figured out the answer.
because you worked through a problem using your brain.
Situation 2, your friend texts you and says the party starts at 8. You didn't know that before. You say,
I found out the party starts at 8.
because you received new information from outside.
One more. Situation 3. You are watching a mystery movie. You understand who the bad person is before the end. You say,
I figured out who did it.
because you solved the mystery, you used your brain.
And situation 4, the movie ends and they tell you who did it. You say,
I found out at the end that it was the butler.
it's always the butler.
Always the butler.
Okay, let's hear these phrases in a real, natural conversation. Listen.
Tom, did you figure out that problem with your phone?
Not yet. I still can't figure out why it keeps turning off.
Did you find out if it's a software problem or a hardware problem?
I found out it's not the battery, but I still haven't figured out the real reason.
You should take it to the shop. They'll figure it out quickly.
I found out last time I went that it costs a lot of money.
Okay, figure it out yourself then.
Did you notice how natural that sounded?
Figure out every time Tom was solving or trying to understand something. Find out every time he received or discovered new information. Vocabulary review time! Let's review our 5 key words and phrases from today.
Repeat after us. Say it out loud. This helps your brain remember.
Number 1, figure out.
Figure out. I figured out the problem. Say it. I figured out the problem.
Great. Number 2, find out.
Find out. I found out the news. Say it. I found out the news.
Number 3, I can't figure out.
I can't figure out. I can't figure out this question. Say it. I can't figure out this question.
Number 4, found out later.
Found out later. I found out later that she was right. Say it. I found out later that she was right.
And number 5, figure it out.
Figure it out. Can you help me figure it out? Say it. Can you help me figure it out?
Amazing! You just practiced 5 real English phrases. Your brain is working hard today.
Your English brain is getting stronger every day.
Okay, summary time. Let's make sure everything is clear.
Figure out you have a problem or a mystery. You think, you try, you work on it. Then you understand it.
I figured out the answer. I can't figure out this problem. Help me figure it out.
Find out you didn't have information, then you got it from a person, a website, a message, or by chance.
I found out the news. Did you find out what time? I'll find out tomorrow.
The big difference, figure out is about solving. Find out is about discovering.
Your brain solves, figure out. The world gives you information, find out.
Simple.
Okay, everyone, that is today's lesson. You now know the difference between figure out and find out. Use them today. Say them out loud. Write a sentence in the comments.
Tell us, write a sentence using figure out or find out about your day. We read every comment.
And if you're watching this on Daily English Talk, we upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Every day, so hit that subscribe button so you never miss a lesson.
Your English is getting better every single day. We are so proud of you.
Keep going. Don't stop. You are doing amazing.
We'll see you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye.